Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing this March the 15th, 2024, after a big Michigan Fighting Wolverines win in the Big Ten semifinals on a last-second layup to win by one to go to the Big Ten championship game tomorrow. This is Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing from just north of downtown Detroit, outside the Vincenzo compound, with a current temperature of 66 degrees. And I wanted to give you this quick update. We were working our side job today, so we haven't been able to make an update today, but nothing has changed from yesterday with the Bitcoin price. We're trading still in the same range. If we go to the hour time frame, we know we're in this head and shoulders topping out reversal pattern. If we look at the hour time frame, we've had the bearish cross. We're going to have the golden bearish cross, but we're trading just below the 200-day moving average in the daily time frame. And we thought the last couple of days we could trade from the 200-day to the 90 and trade in between that range for a few days after we had this bounce off of just above the 73,811.84, which is our next underneath target. So we're sitting there this weekend. We believe, and we've been talking about that, we're going to sit into that range maybe until Sunday, tomorrow night, right before the market opens or just after the market opens, is when you're going to see your next major move, either to 90,828 or you're going to fall down to 73,811 and change. And then we'll continue to follow what's going on, because we do believe we're in this head and shoulders topping out reversal pattern. Watch any of my videos from the last month. We go into ad nauseum about this. This is a quick update. I just wanted to give you an update. We're going out to the bar to eat some food and to celebrate the Michigan victory. XLM has bounced off that 23-cent level in blue, something that we talked about, but we're in the wrong chart. We want to go into this one. Bounced off of an area that we were talking about, and that's something that we thought could happen. We can see it got to just above the 200-day moving average the other day, or yesterday in the hour time frame, and then it got rejected, and now we're sitting just like Bitcoin, just below the 200-day moving average at 28 cents in the daily time frame, and we think we may continue to trade there tonight and tomorrow like this, and then we're either going to decide to come all the way up into these areas that we talked about and then come back down, or when the volume comes in tomorrow night, we're just going to get rejected and move down. But we have an upside potential right now of 32 cents between today and tomorrow, and our next underneath major target is down there at 18 cents. We'll get more in depth later on tonight after I get home from what I'm doing right now. What is going on here? Still in the Robinhood. We want to go into there. And then if we go into everyone's favorite XRP, we can see we did bounce and we have come out more than XLM. We talked about the other day when we were sitting down here on the neckline that we could come as high as the $2.54 to potentially $2.60 area, and that would be your rejection. We talked about trading in between the 100-day and the 50-day moving average, bouncing off of this major 209 neckline support, because you do know with that first mover advantage, we've been in this head and shoulders topping out reversal pattern. And what we think is going on here is just like you had that manipulated pump here to form that right shoulder top, we came back down to a double bottom at a technical level just above the $1.85 200-day moving average that we saw and theorized down here on Tuesday night and Wednesday, that we could bounce up the next several days and get just north of the 100-day moving average and come up to potentially this major resistance level that's sitting at about 255. And we came just shy of that yesterday. So the rest of this weekend, we think we're going to trade between the 100-day and this 254 major upper resistance. And our next drop, which there will be at some point this week coming up, we're going to come to the $1.85. And then we know in the longer term, the medium to longer term, we got this $1.29 head and shoulders topping out reversal pattern target that we believe is going to take place. And I believe that that's exactly what we're in, followed by a potential big-time rally after you make this targeted move. And we have these short to medium range reversal patterns in all of these coins, and we're going to continue to watch out for that. Comment to me down below when I get home later on this evening. It might be a late night, around midnight update, but we'll do our daily video where we have about a 20-minute video and we talk about the news, we read some news, and we do the rest of the fun stuff that we all like around here. Like, subscribe, and share. Become a member of Jabroni Killers. Help us spread the word and the message to change the way everyone thinks of crypto, and that's my goal, is to change the way people think of crypto, and instead of being fleecing and heisting and shysting, we're going to change it that crypto and influencers are built on truth, education, and information. Peace and love.